Google just dropped something that's about to change everything. I'm talking about the new GenKit extension for Gemini CLI 3.0. This thing is absolutely free, and it's going to make building AI apps stupid simple. If you've been wanting to create your own AI tools, but thought it was too hard, this is your moment. I'm going to show you exactly how this works and why everyone's freaking out about it. This is big, this is revolutionary, and by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to use it. So let me tell you what just happened. Google released this massive update to their Gemini CLI, and it comes with something called GenKit. Now, GenKit is a framework that lets you build AI applications without losing your mind. Before this, if you wanted to build something with AI, you had to deal with a ton of complex code. You had to figure out APIs. You had to connect everything manually. It was a nightmare. But GenKit changes all of that. It's like having a pre-built system that handles all the hard stuff for you. Here's what makes this so powerful. GenKit gives you ready-made building blocks for AI apps. Think of it like Lego blocks. Instead of carving your own pieces from scratch, you just snap the pieces together. You get pre-built components for talking to AI models. You get tools for managing conversations. You get systems for handling context. Everything you need is already there. You just put it together the way you want. The best part is, this works with multiple AI models. You're not locked into just Gemini. You can use OpenAI. You can use Claude. You can switch between them with like 2 lines of code. This is huge because different models are good at different things. Maybe you want GPT-4 for writing. Maybe you want Claude for analysis. Maybe you want Gemini for speed. With GenKit, you can use whatever works best for your specific task. Let me break down what you can actually build with this thing. First up, you can create custom chatbots in minutes, not those basic question and answer bots. I'm talking about smart assistants that remember context. That can access your data. That can take actions. You can build a customer service bot that actually understands your business. You can make a personal assistant that manages your calendar. You can create a research tool that pulls information from multiple sources and gives you summaries. Second, you can build automation tools that use AI to make decisions. Imagine having a system that reads your emails and automatically categorizes them, or a tool that monitors your website and alerts you to problems before they become disasters, or an app that analyzes your social media and tells you exactly what content to post next. GenKit makes all of this possible without needing a computer science degree. Third, and this is where it gets really interesting, you can create AI workflows. These are multi-step processes where AI handles different tasks in sequence. Like, you could build a content creation pipeline, feed it a topic, it researches the topic, generates an outline, writes the content, edits it, formats it, and spits out a finished article, all automatically. That's the power of GenKit workflows. Now let me show you how easy this actually is to get started. You install the Gemini CLI. That takes like 2 minutes. Then you add the GenKit extension, another minute, then you're ready to start building. The syntax is incredibly simple. You define what you want the AI to do, you connect it to your model, you run it. That's it. No complicated configuration files, no wrestling with dependencies. It just works. Here's something that blew my mind. GenKit has built-in observability. That's a fancy word that means you can see exactly what your AI is doing at every step. When you're building AI apps, things can go wrong in weird ways. The AI might misunderstand something. It might get stuck in a loop. It might hallucinate information. With GenKit's observability tools, you can watch everything happen in real time. You can debug problems instantly. You can optimize performance. This alone saves you hours of frustration. The plugin system is another game changer. People are already building extensions for GenKit that add new capabilities. Want to connect to a database? There's a plugin. Want to scrape websites? There's a plugin. Want to generate images? There's a plugin. The ecosystem is growing fast, and it's all free. You get access to tools that would normally cost you hundreds or thousands of dollars. But here's where it gets even better. GenKit handles all the annoying technical stuff automatically. Rate limiting, handled. Error handling, built in. Context management, done for you. Token counting, automatic. All those little details that normally eat up your time are just taken care of. You can focus on building cool stuff instead of fighting with infrastructure. Let me give you a real example of what this means for your business. Let's say you run an e-commerce store. You could build a GenKit app that monitors customer questions. When someone asks a question, the AI reads your product documentation. It understands the context. It crafts a personalized response. It can even process orders or handle returns. This runs 24/7, never gets tired, never makes mistakes, and it costs you basically nothing compared to hiring support staff. Or maybe you're in marketing. You could create a GenKit system that analyzes your competitors. It checks their websites daily, monitors their content, tracks their pricing, identifies new strategies they're testing. Then it summarizes everything and sends you a report. What used to take hours of manual research now happens automatically while you sleep. The deployment options are fantastic too. You can run GenKit locally on your computer for testing. You can deploy it to the cloud for production. You can package it as a web app. You can turn it into a Discord bot. You can integrate it into your existing software. The flexibility is incredible. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. This sounds complicated, but I promise you, if you can write a basic script, you can use GenKit. The documentation is clear, the examples are practical, and the community is super helpful. People are sharing their projects and code every day. You can learn from what others have built and adapt it for your needs. GenKit is production ready. This isn't an experimental toy, it's enterprise-grade software for real applications with the reliability, performance, and security you need. Companies are already building serious products with it. You can build something today and scale it to thousands of users tomorrow. Here's what you need to do right now. First, install the Gemini CLI. It's free and takes 2 minutes. Second, add the GenKit extension. Third, go through the quick start tutorial and build your first AI app in 15 minutes. Fourth, start experimenting. Build something small, then build something bigger. The people who adopt this early are the ones who win, while everyone else is still trying to figure out what's possible. You'll already have AI tools built and running with capabilities your competitors don't even know exist yet. If you want to take your AI game to the next level, I want to tell you about the AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I share everything about making real money with AI. Members are building businesses, automating workflows, and generating passive income. Inside, you get 50+ free AI tools, 200+ ChatGPT SEO prompts, a full blueprint for generating leads, and proven case studies of people making thousands with these tools.